This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Danielle Putis. New roof on the way with no addt'l fee for buyers. In-unit laundry hookups approved by Assoc. Privacy abounds in this stunning totally renovated 2-bed/2-bath haven nestled among lush landscaping/serene surroundings on the coveted first FL. Open concept living is flooded with natural light from large windows complete with new plantation shutters, new flooring and neutral tones. New kitchen has shaker cabinets, quartz tops and ample storage. Both BDS have direct access to the extremely private lanai, providing the perfect spot for relaxing and taking in the views. Room sizes approximate. For more information, review the details below or contact Danielle Putis at 772-231-1270.